a motherfucking movie. We got me, I'm out. We got Smeet out. We got another 5-0. My boy, he the reason why we went viral on that video. But he the reason why we got so many damn subscribers. And yeah, he talking about catting out again today. Then he brought his boy. His boy got a crazy ass SS. It make a laugh sound when he downshift. What the hell? I don't know if it's when he downshift or when he let off the gas. It make a crazy ass ha 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 sound, and that shit is unbelievable. So I can't wait for y'all. It's crazy, man. I can't wait for y'all to see that. We got my boy Louis D. Make sure y'all subscribe to him. He stay with the crazy content. Just like my boy Fifth Dodge. Every time his other Dodge go down, he going buy another one. Go ahead and introduce yourself, my boy. Introduce yourself.
Boy, my name's Sean. Y'all can follow me on the channel, Sean.K2, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Yeah, you see, he's shining it up. Like I said, it's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be crazy today. Y'all don't want to miss this shit. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. He pulling up. Look, we got another one coming. Hold on. There you go. That bitch sound good, too. Luke girl got this? Yeah. Got that sound? Damn. Coming from the back of his shit. He got the red juice on the back of his head. Scatty. Oh, he got the.
What you gotta do to make it go out? I'm gonna draw all the way up.
Yeah. In my entire life. Hey, y'all buck. Y'all crazy as hell. Yo, y'all crazy. Y'all crazy as hell.
Y'all crazy, man.
Man, no, y'all buck as hell, boy.
Bad, y'all. I ain't participating in that, man.
Y'all buck. He trying to clear his name. He funny as hell. Oh, yeah. We posted up at the gas station. Yo. Yeah, we rolling out now. I'm telling mama on his ass on my life. He buck as hell. What do you say? Just in case I don't make it home tonight.
We all going the same way, are you?
Yes, sir. We outside.
Yeah.
We outside with it. Been 2 hours and y'all already doing some crazy shit. Especially him right here. His yellow ass, he been white lining the whole time, even when it was unnecessary.
A little space, boy. Them motherfucking regular cars don't know how to drive.
But man, we got a nice lineup. My boy, he just pulled a prank on somebody, so I don't know where he went to, but man, it's like I said, it's been a crazy night. We got him parked outside. We outside looking like the mafia. Man, like you on the break? Yeah, he on the break.
Mark is the fast.
Yeah.
Mark is the fast.
Me either. I literally got the same setup, bro. The only thing I did other than that was, of course, the rims.
I did the mid bumper delete. That's
Yep. I got that and I got the rest of that new lead.
I got some headers. Oh, that's right. I thought it was.
Yeah, let me see that. Yeah, see your shit way brighter than mine.
How many you got? Mario?
Yeah, my shit little. That motherfucker cold, bro. Motherfucker hard, man. Hey, y'all out here. Y'all out here. Crazy. You can't even put a fingernail in there, boy. That shit crazy.
Oh my. Damn.
I've been in here for about an hour, or an hour and a half, just chopping it up. We don't have the DQ game pull up on us. Bro, they got some crazy rides, bro. They ride nuts, boy. Like, man, like crazy.
number 05 Davidson. Complete. And the well, I think the third one we're new together. This is the first year. Going together with the engine just absolutely buckled on him. Did not blow it and is able to keep going.